Cause what now?
Cause I was coughing a lot.
Cause what now?
I said couldn't.
Wait, no, why your stomach hurt?
Cause I'm coughing.
I'm poking you for you.
Hey.
Hi, YouTubers. So, okay, that was really all I'm posting today. I didn't even know that.
I'm not comfortable.
Okay, let me come help you. I'm gonna come and help you. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I'll be back.
This is better. Ow, my bladder. Ow. My butt hit my bladder.